In this video, I am going to show you how we can hack Windows XP Service Pack 3 using vulnerability in Ultra VNC 1.0.2. So first of all, we need to get our Kali operating system. And this is my Kali operating system. And then I have a Windows XP Service Pack 3 as a victim machine. So to run my exploit, first of all, we need to download the Ultra VNC 1.0.2. I have already installed it on my target machine. You can get it from exploit-db. Just go to exploit-db and click on verify and search for Ultra VNC 1.0.2. So here you will find Ultra VNC 1.0.2, and this is the file you need to download, or you can click on the exploit and click on vulnerable app. So once it is downloaded to your machine, so go to your Kali Linux and execute this command python 3 -m http.server --bind and your IP address and 8000 port number. So what it will do, it will start your HTTP server and go to your Internet Explorer and type the IP address of Kali Linux machine, and this will list all the directories. So click on downloads and download this exploit. So after downloading, you have to go to Ultra VNC server and set a password. After that, you have to open the Ultra VNC viewer. So in Ultra VNC viewer, we need to put the IP address of the Kali Linux machine to connect the host to Kali Linux machine. So let's go to Kali Linux machine. First of all, I will open MSF console. Then you have to use exploit /windows/VNC Ultra VNC viewer BOF. Click on info. So in information, you can get the target of Windows XP Service Pack 3, and this is the information. This module exploit buffer of an Ultra VNC 1.0.2 release. Type options. In option, this is not a remote based exploit that I have covered in my previous video. This is a local exploit. It means that our Kali Linux machine will listen for the request. So we don't have to type the set rhost command. So just type run. So the listener has been started. And we need to go to our target machine and click on connect. So once you connect your PC, so the Meterpreter session has been opened. So you can type session space -i to know what session number is connected to with the victim machine. So type session and the ID of the session. So you will get the Meterpreter session. So here we need to type the get system command to get the admin privileges. And after that, you can type the help command to victimize further. So I am going to use this command screenshot, and that will grab the screenshot of the desktop of the victim machine. The screenshot will be saved in my Kali Linux. So same desktop you can see here. So in this way, you can exploit this vulnerability in Windows XP Service Pack 3. Thanks for watching.